What's up, everybody? So fresh from the jailbreak gods, we have a new jailbreak for TVOS. This one is much more stable. It is for 10.22 to 11.1. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to begin this jailbreak by restoring the Apple TV 4. My Apple TV 4 is jailbroken with greengoblin, and we need to restore the TVOS 10.22 firmware on this device so that we can use the new jailbreak. You won't be able to switch jailbreaks without doing a restore. With that being said, if you're on TVOS 11 or 11.1, you should hold off right now because you can actually do this restore. You can't go back from TVOS 11 to TVOS 10 because the remote won't pair with the TV. You'll just be stuck where you'll have to restore to the latest firmware. So just if your TV is on 10.22, you can do this. It's as simple as restoring through iTunes. I won't make you guys go through this whole process here. Basically, download the ISPW from the ispw.me website and plug it into iTunes, restore the device just as you see me doing here, and then we can proceed to the Backr00m jailbreak where we can install the jailbreak on the Apple TV and get jailbroken. Now that our Apple TV is restored, we can install the jailbreak onto the Apple TV. We'll just use City Impactor for this example. If you have a free developer account or you don't pay Apple for a developer account, this will last 7 days. This jailbreak is a lot more stable than the greengoblin jailbreak, so it will actually last longer than 7 days as long as you don't reboot your device. So let's jump to the Apple TV now that we've installed the Backr00m jailbreak and take a look at the actual jailbreak here. So again, this will work for TVOS 10.22, 11.0, and 11.1, as long as you haven't jailbroken previously. So I didn't mention that before, but I'd like to mention that now. This will work for TVOS 11.0 and 11.1, as long as you didn't use the Liberty jailbreak. I'm actually having an issue with one of my devices that I did use the Liberty jailbreak. Because you can't restore those devices right now, it's kind of hard to say what's going to happen. Anyways, let's jump into the jailbreak app right now, and you can see, just like the greengoblin jailbreak, we have a bit of text here, and then we can click the jailbreak button. I was actually quite surprised. The jailbreak is done really quickly. Extracting the bootstrap seems to take longer than just re-enabling the jailbreak, so props for this. I mean, this is awesome. The jailbreak is very stable, very quick, worked every time for me, and I've been playing with it since making this video. So you can see here, after a short respring, we'll come back. Now we'll find the ElectraTV application, and the first time it loads, it will take a few moments to load up. It won't take this long after its initial launch, so it's just the first launch that you'll notice that. And now you can see here we are in ElectraTV. If you're unfamiliar with the Apple TV jailbreaks, ElectraTV is basically a package manager or a Cydia for the Apple TV, which is really cool and opens up the potential for the Apple TV. It's something that Apple is really lacking on with their closed ecosystem, and I absolutely love the idea of having a jailbreak here. Now you can guys see I rebooted the device again, and the jailbroken applications will not open until you run the jailbreak. The jailbreak does have a cooldown time, so after the device boots, the success rate is quite a bit higher if you allow it to wait about, I think it's 35 to 40 seconds after the system boots. And then we can just simply re-enable the jailbreak by clicking the Go button. So right here we click Go, And like I said, it is enabled a lot quicker than the initial run. Boom, one short respring, and you're jailbroken. So props to TVOS on Twitter. Thank you very much for taking the time to do this. I absolutely love the Apple TV jailbreaks, and I'm really excited to see what developers are going to do about this. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more, and we'll see you again next time. Cheers.